That should scare anything around here.
Music.
Yeah.
Unless they like it. Oh. So I'll move. Dude, I see one of these fish swim. Oh. Wait, so that fish you found, what was it again?
It's see-through.
Awesome.
Let me see if I have a signal. I want to see. No signal. Dude, what if imagine if I took a picture like this of us. Here, shine your light. Like this. I'm gonna try to do it so that I can get a picture of us, but like show that there's no signal. Oh man.
You just like running at us and I do that.
It's weird. Dude, that's weird. What is this? Here, shine a light on you.
Still can't see now.
I don't like taking pictures of me, but like for this stuff, it's cool. Oh, it's blurry.
Whoa, why?
I shaked accidentally.
Fishbowl?
I shaked on those things too. Okay, let's try that again. Or do you want to take the picture? Do you want to take it with my phone or something? Now let's see if it's blurry. Oh, it shook.
What? Dude, that thing's broken.
Okay. Let's see that. That's good. You look a little weird.
Dude, take another one.
Dude.
Take another one.
Dude, I got an idea. Flash the light on you, on us, or something. Like flicker.
Oh. Turn yours off.
It's crazy. Oh, dude, that would have been... Okay. Oh.
What are you doing today?
Look. Dude. Ow. My butt. You think I can see us?
Yeah. Don't drop it. You don't have the waterproof.
Yeah. Find my own video.
Dude, that sound we heard was weird.
Yeah, it was like scratching. 41 minutes. I've been recording.
Should we just toss it?
I'll throw it away. Hey, what about yours? Want to take selfies of yours?
What?
Imagine if you did.
Selfie of what?
Your GoPro.
With my GoPro?
Yeah. Like to test it out for pictures.
What is this? Energy, bro. You turned out better on mine.
Yeah.
Look. You look here, look at this look.
Dude, this dude. The GoPro.
Dude, hold on. Trying to get all these. Alright, get half your face in it. It's really creepy.
Oh, dude, one eye.
Dude, it looks like someone's stalking me. And you're just in the corner, you're like,
Dude, one. Let's do one eye.
I can't see this. Oh,
Dude, keep that one. Dude, like music makes it so much better.
It does.
Cause like you don't have to hear any of the sounds. Oh, I dropped one in the water.
Dude, look.
Okay, you ready? Oh, you're eating that?
I'm gonna try it. I don't think I'm gonna like it though, because it has cranberries. I don't really like cranberries.
Oh. These ones are infused.
Mm-hmm.
Pomegranate juice and stuff. Look. Antioxidant infused cranberries with blueberry and pomegranate juice. And natural strawberry flavor. Dude.
What?
Look at your shadow.
That's your shadow.
That's from you.
What? What the heck?
That's sketchy.
That's weird. Dude, we just saw that and my hand wasn't there. Oh my god! I would have a freaking shit attack.
I would die.
That's a good idea for a scary movie.
We should do a video in here.
Yeah. My music video.
Yeah. Looks like flipping up your middle finger.
Flip it off, Zach.
You can't.
No, flip it off, Zach. I'm making you so you can't say you're doing it. There it is. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I wonder what we heard, dude.
Yeah, that was weird. Dude, when it pauses, it's crazy. Dude, I listen to like songs unlike you.
What?
The songs I listen to are really strange. Like they're like electro.
Oh, you like a song?
Yeah, you want me to show you one of them? This is the one I've been listening to. It's like strange. Dude, it like takes you somewhere. Drugs without the effects.
That's good.
How did I get here, dude? It's like where you don't know how to dance to it. So you just go like this. But it's just 7 minutes of this.
There's no lyrics?
Just that.
7 minutes? What's it by?
Odessa. Or Odessa.
How'd you find that?
I found one song from a Scooter video, and then I started listening to them. And then yesterday, or like 2 days ago, I looked them up again, and I found some cool songs I liked. Just throw it in my backpack. Yeah. That's as much. It's like you can't even understand what they're saying. And then. I haven't listened to this one. I haven't listened to this one really. It's weird.
It sounds creepy looking into nothingness. You listen to it and just stare out there.
Dude, that's weird. Oh, but I think, dude, when I think of here, it's weird with that other one. Dude, it's so strange, isn't it? This is the first one I found.
It sounds like a rap beat, but just a beat with no lyrics.
Yeah, it's weird. That's what I think. They're always doing drugs in the music videos.
Really? Like weed?
One of them, like a girl wakes up and she's walking around her house, and all the people that just were partying there overnight are like sleeping, and like it shows a flashback of what they did.
Oh, you're gonna do?
I don't know.
Probably.
But this is my favorite one so far, right now.
I want to see that fish, man.
Yeah. Dude, imagine if we made a music video
Dude,
for
we're
something.
gonna make one down here.
It'd be crazy. Imagine we made one for this. How did I get here?
Dude.
Oh crap.
Just do it. If I were high right now, I'd be crying. Dude, imagine being down here by yourself, just headphones, listening to that, walking. Oh my god.
No light?
No light.
That'd be so scary.
I know people go crazy from being in like darkness just for too long.
Yeah. Like when they do not silent treatment, solitary confinement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, we should film a scary movie in here.
Oh man.
Dude,
I'm down.
Are you down?
Yeah.
Like we could get something coming out of that hole.
Oh man.
We fit Austin in there.
I'd be so scared.
Like we could do a part where like it looks like a GoPro, because Danny wants to do a first person one.
Yeah.
So we could do a part where it's just like this, then you turn on the light and then there's someone right next to me.
Oh, that'd be easy.
Yeah,
It's so dark in here.
Exactly.